Want to give your Google TV a personalized name? Many people change the default name because it's too generic, hard to recognize when casting, or they just want something unique. In this guide, I'll show you how to change your Google TV name in a few simple steps. So let's get started. First up, open your TV. Then from the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the gear icon, basically your settings. Now scroll down to Device Preferences and open it. Then go to About. Scroll down to Device Name and open it. Select Change. Now pick from the suggested names or choose Enter Custom Name from the options. I'll just enter a custom name. Let's call it Google TV. You can write your own name or anything else you want. After we are done writing it, select the Enter button on your screen and click OK on your remote. And that's it. Your Google TV will now show up with its new name whenever you cast from your phone or connect with other devices. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.